Honestly, at this point, feeling ko marami na sa atin wala naman ng talagang tiwala sa IGN. Like, ang dami nilang nirate for the past year na is just horrible ratings. Yung binibigyan nila ng matataas na ratings yung mga generally hindi naman deserve, tapos sobrang babang ratings yung mga generally okay naman. Kasi feel ko talaga yung mga nagre-review sa kanila, walang context dun sa kung ano mang lalaroin or papanuurin nila. And it's very evident dito sa Infinity Castle kasi isa sa mga sinabi nila is that it feels incomplete. And malamang incomplete siya kasi nga part 1 of 3 siya, di ba? Magkakaroon talaga ng feeling na bitin yun. Should the movie lose points for that? I don't think so kasi naka-plan out na siya. Like, yung pacing niya is also okay. Literally, for someone na nabasa yung manga, it's almost 1:1. By almost, I'm saying na may mga nadagdag na scenes talaga to extend the fights which are actually really good. Pero the story itself, it's almost really the same. At the end of the day, kanya-kanya pa rin tayong rating dito. Pero I think 6 out of 10 is a crime. Nice.